Unlock your career potential, top job opportunities, and updates across Pakistan. Welcome to Ali Jobs Alert, your gateway to exciting career opportunities. I'm here to navigate you through today's top job listings. Today's highlight begins with the Pakistan Academy for Rural Development, offering roles perfect for those eager to contribute to rural progress. Applications close on the 26th of February, 2024. Moving on, we have an important update regarding the Punjab Assembly. The recruitment process previously announced has now been cancelled. Stay tuned for future openings. For those interested in the education sector, Fazia College Minas Kamra is looking for talented individuals. Make sure to apply by the 15th of February, 2024. Next up, the Punjab Public Service Commission has unveiled its second job advertisement for the year 2024. Don't miss out on these prestigious positions. The Punjab Special Education Department is also seeking dedicated professionals to join their team. This is an excellent opportunity to make a significant impact. Lastly, the Revenue Department, along with the Deputy Commissioner/District Collector Office in Jhelum, is inviting applications for various roles. Be sure to apply before the deadline. Thank you for joining Ali Jobs Alert. Remember, these opportunities won't last forever, so take the next step towards your dream job today. Stay informed and best of luck in your job hunt.